Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pin message on WhatsApp. So guys, let's just open the WhatsApp application on our phone, and after that we can select a personal chat or a group chat that we want to pin the message, and I'm gonna go with this personal chat. So just tap on the room chat, then we're going to select the message we would like to pin, and I'm gonna go with this message. So just tap on hold on the message, then we can tap on the three dots button on the top right corner of our screen, then we can simply click on pin and choose how long your pin lasts. And for example, I'm gonna go with 30 days, then just click on pin right here. Okay, as you can see that the message has been pinned on this room chat, and if you want to pin a message on your group chat, you just need to do the same step. So you can go to your group chat. I'm going to open this group chat, then we're going to select the message that we want to pin, and for example, I'm gonna go with this message. Okay, just tap and hold on the message, and then we can tap on this three dots button, then just click on pin and click choose how long your pin will last, and I'm gonna go with 24 hours, then just click on pin. Okay, and as you can see that this message has been pinned on this group chat. And alright guys, that's how we can pin message on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.